Hello viewers, I'm Snigdha Gupta from Guru Gyan online classes. If you are first time watching my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell button for regular updates and don't miss out any of the session.
Welcome viewers, I am Professor Dr. Kushal Sen, Professor of Applied Numbers in the Astrological Research Institute of Krishnamurti Paddhati, Agartala. Welcome viewers, today's lesson is expansion of numbers. Ancient India is widely accredited as the discoverer of numbers in the world. Decimal system were introduced in India in 100 BC by Indian astronomer and mathematician Aryabhatta. Later, Indian numerals were expanded in Middle East and West in 830 BC. So the book written by Arabian mathematician Al-Kindi, the first widely recognized book on applied numbers or in the field of numerology, was written by Codex Vigilans in 976 AD. The most popular book on numbers or in applied numerology was written by legendary numerologist and Irish fortune teller William John Wonder. He was famous worldwide in the name of Kiro. In Vedic spiritual and cultural heritage, it is seen that the mystery surrounded with certain specific numbers are in a rhythmic vibration of cosmos. Such as number 1 is explained as the unitary or the soul Ishwar or the supreme consciousness of God. Number 2, there are two Paksh in the Hora Shastra. One is Shukla Paksh and other is Krishna Paksh, the brighter half of the moon and the darker half of the moon. There are two types of power basically, auspicious and inauspicious. Number 3, there are three supreme consciousness of universe. One is Lord Brahma, other is Lord Vishnu, and the last one is Lord Shiva. There are three different time frames: past, present, and the future. Number 4, there are 4 types of Vedas: Rig, Sham, Yayu, and Atharva. According to the Vedic rituals, objectives of lives are also 4: Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. There are 5 types of elements in the universe: Bhumi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, and Akash. There are Panchadevata in Hindu mythology, that is Sri Ganesh, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, Aditya, and Sri Chandi. There are 6 sensory organs in human body. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, and thinking, that is the mind. There are 6 passions in human characteristics. They are Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moho, Madho, and Matsharja. There are 7 colors in the spectrum: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. There are 7 ancient sages who are placed in the Shapta Rishi Mandal. They are Marichi, Vasishtha, Atri, Angira, Ulastha, Ulaha, and Kratu. During worshipping of Devi Durga, Navapatrika is bathed with water of 8 sacred pitches. 8 directions have direct influence on human livelihood, prosperity, and mental peace. There are Ashtagandha, there are 8 types of fragments, and ultimately 9 is the highest single number and index of creation. There are 9 planets. Even there are 27 nakshatras, that is 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Lord Brahma imagined 9 types of idol of Devi Durga. from Shailaputri to Siddhidatri. There are Japamala established of 27 beads or 54 beads or 108 beads for achieving the ultimate accomplishment.